channel. So I'm here sitting outside while my kids are riding their bikes and stuff. And I decided I was gonna film my Believers Box unboxing. I believe this is the month of October. And I get the subscription every so often. I really love it. It's a subscription service for Christian women, and I just love it. So I'm filming, first and foremost, I'm filming with the shirt that came in it. So it says, God is within her, she will not fail. Psalm 46:5. Yeah, you do get shirts in here a lot of the time. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go into the rest of the box. This is the box right here. It's usually around this size. I'll put the price and everything there because you know I never remember the price when I'm filming. So in here you get like a little card that tells you everything that is in the box. The first one was this shirt. Next thing in here is this other little card that says the same verse, God is within her, she will not fail. And these are little like scripture. It's like a 5x7 print where you can like either frame it or you can pass it along to someone else. And they also give you these like little pass along cards if you want to give to like your friends with the same Bible verse and that. Next thing in here, super cute. These are earrings, and it's like a cross. It's like a cross with like tan and beige colored, and they're really cute. It says God is within her, she will not fail as well. So that's very
on the
pretty.
Packaging where the earrings hang on.
Yeah, exactly. They're so pretty. Look, that would look so cute.
Yeah.
And then next thing in here are some hair ties or scrunchies, how we used to call them when I was growing up.
They're called scrunchies.
Yeah.
Everybody calls them scrunchies.
So it says scrunchies are back. They honestly are the best for your hair. We had these colors designed for the fall season. So you get like a cream colored one, a pink one, and a gray one. Very cute. Next thing in here is a CD, and this is Sunday Worship for Every Day. It's in a worship CD.
That's what a worship CD looks like.
And then it has like the songs in the back. Amazing Grace. There are different kinds of songs.
Crown him with many crowns,
Etc.
etc. etc. etc. etc.
All right, this is interesting, and I know my sons are gonna want to try this. We got a little snack in here, and it's the Harvest Pumpkin Spice Cake.
Ooh.
I have never tasted this.
It might be good.
But we can taste it right now on camera.
Hello.
It says it's a limited edition.
Hi. We're gonna try these little spice cakes. I don't even know.
All right, so show. This is what they look like.
Can they?
It smells really spicy, like pumpkin spice. We're gonna taste it real quick, guys.
3, 2, 1. It's just like it tastes does.
Yeah.
So good.
These are pretty good.
Guys, it's really good.
Last thing in here is this book. Michael, too close. This is by Marilyn Chadwick, and it's called Women of Valor, Discovering the Courage and Strength God Gave You. I don't know if it's Valor or Valor.
I think it's Valor.
So it says that she's an inspirational speaker and she was a former agnostic. So this is really interesting to see what she's gonna write in here. And that's all for my Believers Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.